Hello, my name is Vikki Ponting. I work at Cytiva and I am the Programme Leader for Security of Supply for our resins and technologies. Today, I'm going to be talking you through the poster, Safeguarding the Biomanufacturing Supply Chain During a Pandemic. So, at Cytiva, our Security of Supply programme has underpinned our thinking and our actions with regards to ensuring a robust, consistent supply of materials to the biopharmaceutical market. And that's been ongoing for many years now. So when the pandemic struck, we have been able to react from a really solid foundation that has enabled us to mitigate risks and respond to the challenges that have occurred. Our first priority in the face of the pandemic was the safety of our associates. But second to this was to ensure we can continue to supply our products. We, like many other companies, have faced many difficulties, and perhaps some of the most challenging has been surrounding the unprecedented level of unforecast demand for chromatography resins. Now, this poster provides an overview of our Security of Supply programme and our response to those challenges. Our Security of Supply programme is built on three main elements: supply risk management, business continuity management, and communication. Supply risk management has ensured a thorough understanding of the risks associated to our suppliers, our raw materials, and our incoming supply chain. And so when COVID struck, we were able to increase the raw material inventories and consider using additional second suppliers. So a good example of our success here has been our continued access to all raw materials that have been required for our production. Another example, maybe more specific, has been our continued access to ethanol in the face of the huge demand driven by the COVID-related sanitization use. Business continuity. So business continuity management not only reduces the risks of an incident occurring, but it also ensures that downtime is minimized if an incident actually does impact our manufacturing operations. And so whilst the pandemic has not impacted our ability to produce material, and in fact, we are actually producing more than we have ever done before, we can consider the impact of the pandemic as a business impact event to some extent, because we have been unable to immediately respond to the unprecedented demand for some of our resins in line with our normal annual delivery guidelines. So responding to the unforecasted demand has been supported immediately, and that's been via increasing staffing levels, adding additional shifts, maximizing the use of our equipment, and actively managing routine maintenance and minimizing downtime. Our production schedules have been flexed to ensure that we have the ability to make high demand materials, and this has really been enabled through the active management of our strategic reserves. In addition, we've implemented a prioritization process for incoming orders. Our historical investments have also seen additional capacity come online immediately, and we are accelerating our future capacity expansion projects to bring additional capacity online as quickly as possible. And this is with a review to address any backlogs. Now, throughout the entire pandemic year, communication has been key. We've provided regular updates on our web pages, including frequently asked questions, and these have predominantly been linked to the elements of our Security of Supply programme. But we've also extended these into new areas, maybe logistics, for instance. As the airline industry constricted overnight, there was lots of concerns how we are managing incoming supply and movement of finished goods. We have also directly and regularly engaged with our customers here, sharing open and transparent communications around the direct impact of the unprecedented demand. And this has really enabled us to work together to ensure an ongoing supply of materials. Now, we are expecting to be working normally again after the pandemic has subsided. However, we do think the new normal may be a little different to what we have previously experienced. Thank you very much for your time.